Kyle, I've got your work up here. I was reading your writing. Everything makes sense here. And I got to tell you, man, this is a really great start. It's so inviting. Really, the minimalism is so strong. I mean, you have no choice but to get sucked into this ad. I think it's great. A couple of things we can do here to, I think, to improve. We're going to just kind of think about redistributing some visual weights. And I think that's really going to help. Right now, we're a little bit out of balance here. So one of my recommendations is this. You have searching for adventure. I think that's a little bit too large. You can close that down maybe 1 point size or so, and then establish a good solid left margin. Right now, I think that's a little bit, well, it's okay, but I'd say right about there to start. Okay. Then what I would do is I would take this. I would present this in purple. I would. I think it's going to be a much more engaging, and also going to create a higher degree of harmony using colors. I'm also going to recommend that we change that logo, but I'll get to that in 1 second. When we change this to purple, we take this type right here and we left align it. So we have left align subhead and headline, left, which is placed on the left-hand side of the composition. Then we come over here and then we have left align type right here. Okay, so purple for the headline, teal for the subhead, left aligned, right? Then come over here, try white with this type right here. And the reason being is because I think it's going to create this nice kind of textured, layered look with white mimicking the white from the water in the surf, right? Try it. I think it's going to be really fascinating. Another thing I would recommend is redistributing the weight at the bottom of the composition. So this is the logo, right? This is the right-hand side. This is typically what we would consider to be an exit strategy for any page, since most in Western countries, we tend to enter compositions on the upper left and exit compositions on the lower right. So, and then it's left to right, top to bottom. So if we're going to use this area as an exit strategy, let's go ahead and reinforce the branding by placing the logo right over here. Then we'll place the flower and the contact information right over here. Of course, you'll have to left align it if you're going to change the placement, right? And what I would recommend is using the purple logo. The purple logo has, it will tie that purple in, and it'll be just much more visible. I think it'll give a nice solid foundational anchor for the ad, as well as providing a solid exit strategy. So that's it. Just a couple of little tiny minor changes. Shift the weight a little bit, shift the attention a little bit, increase some focal points, increase some alignment issues, and we are good to go. So this is really a fantastic start. So really good job. Now, if you have any questions at all, please let me know. But that would be the process to finish the magazine ad. And of course, you're going to use the magazine ad as a basis for your banner ad. So we want to get this magazine ad squared away, and then we'll start on the banner ad, right? So, of course, any questions, comments, concerns, clarifications, please let me know. I'll be glad to clarify any of those issues. All right, fantastic job. Thank you very much.